In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AFK channel on Discord. An AFK, or away from keyboard channel, is a special voice room where Discord can automatically move people who have been inactive for a while. It keeps your active voice chats clear and organized, and it's quick to set up. First, create the AFK channel itself. Open your server, click the server name at the top, and choose Create Channel. When Discord asks what kind of channel you want, pick Voice Channel. Give it a clear, recognizable name like AFK Channel or Inactive Channel, so everyone knows its purpose at a glance. You don't need to change anything else here unless you already have a specific naming style for your server. Go ahead and create the channel. It will appear in your channel list just like your other voice channels, but we still need to tell Discord to treat it as the official inactive channel. Next, connect that new channel to your server's AFK setting. Click your server name at the top again and open Server Settings. In the Settings sidebar, look for the section called Engagement. Inside Engagement, you'll see an option labeled Inactive Channel with a drop-down. Click that drop-down and select the AFK channel you just created. Right below it, choose the inactive timeout, the amount of time someone can stay idle in a voice chat before Discord moves them to the AFK channel. Shorter timeouts, like 5 or 15 minutes, are great for busy servers where you want to free up spots quickly. Longer timeouts, like 30 minutes or an hour, are better if your members tend to step away briefly and come right back. Pick what fits your community's flow. If you don't immediately see the engagement section, make sure your app is updated and that you have permission to manage the server. When you're happy with the channel and the timeout, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. From now on, if someone is idle in a voice channel for longer than the time you set, Discord will automatically move them into your AFK channel. You can return to these settings anytime to rename the AFK channel or adjust the timer as your server grows. Quick recap before we wrap up. Create a voice channel with a clear AFK name, open server settings, go to engagement, set that channel as your inactive channel, choose the timeout, and click Save. Your server is now cleaner, more organized, and easier to manage.